Mike? Did I play that singing?
Again.
Billy's done it before.
Did you play?
It's on the tape. I taped it for you. Say hi. Wave to
Iris,
April.
someone blow her a kiss.
Wave to April.
Yes, birthday. It's my birthday. Give me a kiss.
Give him kisses, Iris.
Did I ever tell you what Crystal said? Kim had the camera. Kimbo was at my house. And she was taping. You know, Steve was in Alaska. So Kimbo was there and she was taping. Crystal was only about, I don't know, maybe 2.5 or 3 at the time. So she's taping Crystal and she's going, say hi to Steve, Crystal. Say hi to Steve. Say hi to Steve, Crystal. And Crystal's just sitting there looking at her, you know. So about the 5th time.
Say I wouldn't want to beat you.
About the 5th time Kimbo said, say hi to Steve, Crystal. Crystal looks up and she goes, Steve's not in there. Say hi to April.
Everybody ask Ange.
Hi, Rusty. I love you. Diane, the camera loves you, baby. You're my...
I think, Joanne.
Come on, Diane. Come on, remember that little thing? I'm your Huckleberry.
I'm your Huckleberry.
Here, something's ready for you.
Hey, Mike.
His favorite is fruit. To Portland, Main Street. No, you have to be a beach. You have to be a beach. All your friends will say knocked out.
Next off. Wave, John. Say hi, John. Say hi, Floyd. Say hi, Floyd.
Thank you, baby. Thank you,
Diane, did you tell Mike how bad it was to be 45 yet?
He was the only one that didn't come out that
One of the governors or somebody cried at his funeral.
said he was the biggest crook around, though.
Mike, say hi to the camera. Right, Don?
Yep.
What do you want to drink, Don?
Tequila.
Tequila?
Kahlua!
How about you, Angela?
Slow gin. Slow gin.
Fish.
Kahlua. Yeah,
Slow
Kahlua.
gin.
Kahlua.
You got me. Well, I'm
Turn back, you penis.
Kahlua.
I'm drinking Milky Way Dark.
Like me, you stop.
No, the other one.
Oh, please.
That's the one I like.
That's not my dad. My dad did. I know, because she was always with me.
What's her name?
Heather.
Heather, yeah, that's her.
Hi, John. Johnny? You drunk yet? Are you, John? Are you drunk yet, John? Are you drunk yet? Are you drunk yet?
I'm going back someday. Come on, man, to Blue Valley.
Oh, here comes the amaretto.
Is that my phone? Hey, thanks, bud.
Anything to say? God.
Turn it off. I can't breathe. No.
She can't breathe. Does he know where it is? Aunt Diane! Auntie! Auntie!
Oh, thank you.
I gotta go down here. Spill it.